How to detox smokers' lungs. However, to help your body prepare for this short detoxification, it is important that you should get rid of all the dairy products of the day before you begin your lung detox. In addition, one night before the purification process, drink a cup of green tea, a herbal, before going to bed to release toxins from the intestines. Once you are ready, follow these steps every day for 3 days. In a 300 ml glass of warm water, add a quarter cup of lemon juice of about 2 lemons, and drink before breakfast. During breakfast, drink 300 ml pineapple or grapefruit juice. These juices contain natural antioxidants that help improve the respiratory system and cleanse your smoker's lungs. To alkalize your body for detoxification, drink at least 300 ml of freshly squeezed carrot juice between breakfast and lunch. During lunch, drink 400 ml of juice rich in potassium, such as beets, parsley, oranges, bananas, tomatoes, dates, and figs. At night, before bedtime, drink 400 ml of cranberry juice to fight the infection-causing bacteria in the lungs. Take a 20-minute hot shower to detox toxins through the skin. If desired, you can also add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to the hot water and inhale the vapor to purify the lungs naturally. The expectorant compound found in eucalyptus helps soothe throat, congestion, and sinus problems. Practice deep breathing during the media hour every day to remove impurities from your smoker's lungs.